Hey guys, this is Joe Bananas here, and today I will, be showing you how to use a toaster. So, here's the toaster. The buttons are over here. We got the cancel button, then the, the power button, but we always keep it on 3. Um, it's pretty simple, guys. All you gotta do is, put the bread like that. People don't really like these ends, and especially Philip. Philip says that these are the worst parts of bread, but I really like them. He calls me retarded for it. And then all you do is this. You press down that little button, and now we wait. So, yeah, we're just waiting for the toast to pop up now. Hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. Philip hasn't, but this is actually Philip's idea to teach people how to make toast. He told me that even though it's super easy, a lot of people don't know how to make toast, which I think is kind of weird. I remember being taught how to make toast. That was a long time ago, guys. Wow, it really is taking a long time for this toast to pop up. Wow, guys. You can see the toast in it. The toaster always scares me, because I never expect when it's going to pop. I'm always just waiting, staring at it, like, when is my bread going to be ready? It always takes forever, and then as soon as you give up, it pops and scares you. Smells like burnt toast. I'm either having a stroke or the toaster's working. Well, guys, that's it. That's how you make toast.